I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to change the response speed of haptic touch on your iPhone. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. Have you ever felt that the haptic touch on your iPhone responds too quickly or maybe a bit too slowly for your taste? Thankfully, Apple makes it easy to adjust the response speed of the haptic touch feature on your iPhone, ensuring it's just right for you. Now let's walk through the steps to change the response speed of haptic touch on your iPhone. Step 1. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. You'll land on the Settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Accessibility. The Accessibility menu opens. Step 3. Scroll down to the Physical and Motor section and then tap Touch in this section. Step 4. Tap Haptic Touch. The haptic touch screen is displayed. Step 5. Navigate to the Touch Duration section where you'll see options for the responsiveness of the haptic touch speed. Tap to place a check mark next to what you want to be your new haptic touch response speed. You can test the haptic touch response speed by holding your finger against the image in the Touch Duration Test section. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.